Ready to transform your website into a data powerhouse by embedding interactive Qlik Sense reports. First, open your Qlik Sense desktop or access your Qlik Sense Enterprise Hub. This is where all the magic begins. Select the specific report or app you want to embed on your website. Look for a Share or Embed option, typically found within the Reports menu or toolbar. Click this option to open the embedding options. Now, you'll see a window that allows you to customize the embed code. Here, you can adjust the height and width of the embedded report to perfectly fit your website's layout. Once you're happy with the size and any other customizable features, copy the generated embed code. Make sure you grab the entire code snippet. Next, open your website's HTML editor. Locate the section of the web page where you want your Qlik Sense report to appear and paste the embed code directly into the HTML. Save your changes and refresh your website. You should now see your interactive Qlik Sense report seamlessly embedded, ready for your audience to explore dynamic data visualizations. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Qlik Sense into your website, empowering users with self-service analytics. Make sure you subscribe for more Qlik Sense tips and tricks.